Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin with quick, targeted checks so you can find the fault fast. First, inspect speaker and microphone ports. Remove lint or dust with a soft brush or compressed air. Once done, restart the phone and immediately place a test call using headphones, speakerphone, and regular earpiece to compare. Make sure software is current. If not, update. If needed, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and retry. This clears radios and sometimes restores call audio quickly. You now dive into settings and controlled tests to isolate causes. Open sound settings, raise call volume, turn off noise reduction, or hearing enhancement features that can muffle calls. Next, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the culprit. If audio improves, uninstall recent apps. If problems persist, reset network settings to restore cellular profiles and audio routing. These steps pinpoint whether it's software, an app, or network-level routing causing the call's sound issue. You conclude by verifying hardware and escalating if needed. Connect a known good Bluetooth headset or wired headphones. Clear audible sound there confirms handset speaker or mic hardware fault. Run Samsung members diagnostics for microphone and speaker tests, and if they fail, book an authorized repair for component replacement. If audio is inconsistent and software fixes failed, back up data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if issues remain intermittent,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.